Hey guys, for this video I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows on a regular basis. And to start off, I already have a primed face and I'm gonna go in using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Caramel. And with this, I am going to use this brush. I actually bought this in the e.l.f. collection. It's actually pretty good. It's the angled brush. It's actually really cheap and it works really good. I've had it for a while now. I've actually went through like two because I lost one, but honestly they've lasted a long time and they're pretty cheap for what it's worth. It's pretty good. So I'm just gonna go in and brush in my eyebrows. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a while, since like mid-July, but I try to always keep up and clean my eyebrows every time I can. I also try to cut them and make sure I have a clean eyebrow because I don't always have time to go and get them done. I also try to tweeze them all the time, but sometimes I just don't have time. So let's just get started. So first of all, I'm just gonna brush in my eyebrows, make sure they're good. And we're gonna start at the bottom and make our way till the end. And I usually don't go in very harsh with the color, because if you go too hard in like with the dark color and you mess up, like you're kind of just screwed already and you're gonna have to start all over. But I start towards the middle, because if I start at the beginning and I make my way back, then I'll probably be too dark in the front, and I like to get that little fade in the front. So I start in the middle and make my way up. Throughout the whole process, I make sure to brush my eyebrows every time I can, so I also get like a little So once you feel you're ready and you are done, you're also gonna want to go in to the next eyebrow. I usually do both eyebrows before I start concealing, and I do both eyebrows and then I clean them up and blend them out, because if I feel like if I do one, then like one's already done and the other needs to get cleaned. So I'm like, so yeah. And if you mess up, don't worry, just keep going, because later on you can just clean it up with your concealer. So I'm gonna do the same for the other. Concealer, this concealer from Anastasia in the shade 0.75, and I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush. Just go in a little bit, not too much, and I usually always start at the bottom right here and make my way back. once you feel like both your eyebrows look a little alike, then some people can go in with a gel. I don't use gel for many reasons, because I do have curly eyelashes and they're really, did I say eyelashes? I meant eyebrows. I have really curly eyebrows, and if I use gel, like, it's just gonna be too hard. Like, my eyebrows are stiff, and like I don't feel like I need gel. But some people do use gel to comb their eyebrows because their eyebrows can be everywhere. I know that happens. But your eyebrows are obviously not going to be perfect because they're different. Like, I feel like this one's just shorter, but you know, you can't really do anything about that. But whenever you feel like you are ready with how your eyebrows look and you are satisfied with your final eyebrows. Sorry, sometimes I just don't finish my sentences. But once you feel like your eyebrows look the way you want them to, you are completely done, and that's it. So for this video, all I did was fill in my eyebrows with the pomade and conceal them or clean them with this concealer, both from Anastasia, and one of the brushes, this flat brush, is from Wet n Wild. Both of them actually, Wet n Wild, and this one was from Elf. If you like how they turned out, make sure to like this video and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.